In a significant development, we're also getting to know that people have gathered outside hospitals set up in the Kumbh Kshetra in Mahakumbh Sector 2 following the stampede. Authorities are currently attending to the injured. So people have started gathering outside the hospital in the Kumbh Kshetra as well. Arzu?
After the stampede-like situation occurred in the morning here at the near the Sangam, Triveni Sangam, the ghat, where the crores of devotees, in fact since the evening they gathered on the roads also. They were staying there only so that just in the morning after the Muhurat, the Shubh Muhurat will start, they will just go and take a holy bath, and after that the situation occurred, after which the ambulance were rushed, dispatched to the location where the incident happened, and from there all the injured people were taken to the hospital in Sector 2, which has been set up by the Uttar Pradesh government, which is equipped with all the required machines needed for any operation or anything injuries. So at that hospital now all the injured people have been taken, the elderly women, also the elderly, the women, the children, those who got injured during the stampede like situation, they have been taken to the hospital. The treatment is right now going on in the hospital, and also their family member are also there, and that's why we can see a lot of gathering can be clearly seen in the visuals at the hospital also. So the hospital is in the Sector 2 where the families has also rushed to the hospital, while the multiple ambulance were dispatched at the particular location at the Sangam nose, where Triveni Sangam, where the incident happened due to the what the official has to say, due to the barricade broke, and that the barricade has fallen, due to which there was a overcrowd. There were a lot of people at that time on the Triveni Sangam, and that's why now appeal has also been made that please avoid to go at one only ghat, one particular ghat, but also there are several ghats, more than 20 ghats that have been constructed, that have been prepared for a holy dip, and that's why you are close to where you are staying, the camp where you have your camp there, the closest ghat you should take a holy dip. The appeal has been made by the Chief Minister and also the representative of the akhadas also.